Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and this is a quick review for Horizon Hobby ECX brand. This is their proprietary product, and I decided to make a review on it because it's a low price entry-level vehicle that I think this should be excellent gift for the upcoming holidays, because those vehicles are pretty big, pretty tough, and very low price. This truck is a 110 scale and they should be about 150 to 160, depend where you buy it. Please buy it at your local hobby shop. They will explain to you much better details, and most likely you're gonna go home with the real deal. Let's open it up. So they always pack their stuff really good. And inside we have here this beautiful truck. Let's pull it up. It has this kind of retainer that you have to move away. And then we can pull up the truck and whatever comes with it. It's a lot of stuff in this small box. Okay, so start. This is the vehicle. It's pretty big for a 110 scale. It's almost borderline, I would say like 1/8 scale. Even though it's on the box 110, it's borderline to be a 1/8 scale. I think it's maybe actually something kind of in between. Let's call it 1/9 scale. Okay, but it's a 110 scale. This is the AMP CRUSH from ECX. It's a rear-wheel drive RC monster truck. They try to make it look like the real monster truck that you will see when you go to the arena. It's a beautiful finish on it. This color, the blue color, is really nice. I really like this color. And let's put it aside for a second, show what else you get with it. So you're gonna get this small tiny box that will have the charger inside. When you open it, they give you a very basic wall charger, and the battery is in the vehicle. So this is something that is pretty good for the price. You get battery and a charger, and you get a small bag with instruction, tool for the wheel to remove the wheels, and they give you even battery for the remote. Please, when you get this thing, take those battery for the remote, put them in a TV remote, and get a Duracell battery or Energizer or something else for your remote. It just work much better. Then the remote itself is kind of a small toy remote. It's still very good. They design it for little kids to fit in their hands. It's even fit perfect in my hand. And you have the backward, forward, reverse, left and right. And let's see, it's even have the windows opening. Is it actually opening? Yes, it is. Look at this. In this tiny remote, they actually have all the trims. So it's very cool that they did that on a small remote to fit better for kids. And you have in all the setting, the steering trim, you have the dual rate, you have everything, and of course you're on and off. So it's really cool. Let's put this aside and look at the vehicle itself again. So if you're new to the hobby and you're looking for something entry level, this is definitely something to look at. Let's open it up. This is just a plastic cover. You can change those. Let's see what there is underneath it. When you open those, be careful not to fly them all over the place. It's hard to find later. Let's remove, and when you open it, very simple vehicle. Again, rear-wheel drive, brushed motor on the back. So it's going to be rear-wheel drive with a back motor over here. It's very cool. You have the 2-in-1 ESC and receiver. So it's good, it's all in one system. I rather that it be separate because it's much better if one go you just replace whatever gun, not both pieces. You have the battery inside, this plug here with the nylon, it's wrapped nicely. This is your battery inside. All you need to do is charge it for a couple hours and then you can go. When you plug it in, you have here your on-off switch. Just make sure you turn it on. You're gonna have a red light turning on over there and you're good to go. When you're done playing, always disconnect the battery. Don't ever leave it plugged. Rear wheel drive. How to know rear wheel drive for beginners? You lift the car, you turn the wheel left, the other one will turn to the right because it's have a differential. On the front, they're just freely going to turn whatever direction and keep turning because they're just on a bearing. It's still good. It's very good springs on this. The springs shock system on it, it's pretty cool for a cheap toy. And this is again a quick review on this vehicle. I really like it. I decided to do the quick review on it. We don't always need to go and buy vehicle that costs so much money. I think that you can go and have fun with something that is cheap. They don't break easily. You can probably take it to the skate park or anywhere else and have fun with it, exactly like what we do with a big vehicle. And I think for the upcoming holiday, this is an excellent choice. This being said, this is for this vehicle. But now, I know it's a completely different subject, but please stay with me. There is a major problem that we find about today. People from China copying my videos, putting it on Chinese website, trying to sell you product. For example, this product costs $150. They will sell it to you for $40 or $50 or $60 just to take your money. They will never send you anything. If you see any weird names or video that not look like it's, you see RC Monster Garage video and you can recognize my voice but it's not us, do not give them any money. We are brick and mortar. We don't sell anything online. You have to come to our business to purchase something and you're gonna get the item while you walk through the door. Be careful, please. Let everybody know about it. If you see any deal that look too good online, it's a ripoff. Those things always there. They pop before the holiday. Please do not lose any money. You want to be in the hobby to have fun, save a couple dollars, but if you see that the price is way drop below anywhere else that you see, it's not mean that the business is stealing your money. It's mean that the Chinese just ripping you off. Be careful, stay safe. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and pay attention because we're doing a lot of giveaway this upcoming holidays. You have to be subscribe, you have to like the video, you have to write a comment. Comment are very important because this is how we're going to pick the people that actually going to get stuff. See you on my next video. Eric, RC Monster Garage. Bye.